Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a KFC video. I think I know what I'm going to get, but I'm not 100% sure. As you can see, it is raining out today, so it's a very gloomy day. So KFC, here I am. I wasn't going to eat out today, but I decided that I was going to. So I don't quite, like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna get, so let's figure that out. One moment, please. Can I do a famous bowl and 3 extra crispy tenders?
You want the 2 for 6?
Yes.
Is that famous bone and the 3 tenders?
Yes.
What else for you?
And a small water.
Is that all for you?
Yes.
$6.59 next window.
Alright guys, I am back. I do not know what happened to the video, but I got the food and I'm going to eat my famous bowl. I bought the tenders for another video. Those are going to be for the donut, eating the donut with the chicken tenders video. Like a donut sandwich. So that's what I bought that for. So I don't know if I'll put these together or if I'll film them separately. We shall see. But I've never had one of these before. It looks like it is gravy and corn and cheese and potatoes. It was a really hot bite. And like I said, I've never had this before, but I've heard from a lot of people that it is really good. So it's really hot. I kind of hope there's more chicken nuggets than what's just like laid on the top. There was a cop behind me in the line, and I'm just like one of those people. I could be like doing everything I'm supposed to be doing, and it would still like make me nervous. This is actually pretty good. I don't eat at KFC a whole lot. I don't know why. I mean, I like KFC. But for some reason, it's just really not my go-to place to go. That bite was like fiery hot. I like how the chicken is like really, really crispy. I like my chicken really crispy. But I just woke up and my husband forgot his school book at home, so I brought him his school book. And I hadn't eaten anything today. I was kind of wanting to do that other video with the chicken tenders. So, and then I got in the line and I wanted to try this. So we'll do both. I don't know how hungry I'll be after this, but I probably will stomach both. Because I don't want my chicken tenders to get nasty. I do kind of not like that there's only like chicken tenders on top. It's raining. There's been a lot of rainy days recently, which I'm not complaining. I don't really mind the rain so much. Rainy days are when I like to sit out on the porch and read a book. It's just very peaceful. That might be what I go home and do after I film the second video today. I'm definitely not mad at this. I kind of had my doubts because I thought the chicken would probably be soggy. It's not. So that would have killed it for me if it was. Sorry guys, the ambulance just went by. I'll show you this. I'm like chowing down. I'm trying to film more like videos other than eating, but then they're not getting a whole lot of views. So I'm kind of like, I'm gonna film, that was a hot bite, a variety of things. But I mean, I gotta figure out what y'all like and what y'all want to see. I posted the day before I'm filming this, or no, I posted this morning. This is Wednesday, my post day. And I posted the Bissell spot cleaner review, which is an out of the box video for me. It's something I don't normally do. But I ended up liking the product, and I just wanted to review it for you guys because I personally watched a ton of review videos on it before I bought it. Because when you're spending $200-300, you want to make sure you're getting something that benefits you and that you like. So I just wanted to do that. All in all, I had like very good reviews about it. I think it was a good product. I'm not sponsored. Of course, y'all probably think, of course you're not, because I only have like 5 subscribers, but one day I seen Trisha Paytas do the donut video, and that's what made me want to do it. So I'll probably go home and film that one. I don't know if I'll do it in the car or in the house. It just kind of depends on the dogs, where they're at. Because I don't like filming food videos when they're in the house, because then they're like right on top of me, bothering me. Or like begging for the food, and you guys can hear that, and I don't like that. One complaint I have about this is it could have had like a little more gravy. I'm thinking like white gravy. If you put white gravy on this, this would be like so bomb. Like I said, today is Wednesday. It is 10:51. This is just water, by the way. I don't know if I think y'all could hear it when I was ordering, but it's just water. The norm. I've been eating so bad lately. My skin is like so broke out. But, this is not too bad, I don't guess. I was debating whether doing this video or the Cheez-It thing at Pizza Hut. But I kind of wanted this more. Plus Pizza Hut would have took a lot longer. I might try to get my husband to do that video with me. I mean, there could have been a little bit more chicken. But all in all, I would definitely order that again. I ate almost half of it. Personally, I thought it was good. I'm about to look at these tenders and show you guys these tenders. I wondered if it come with a biscuit or anything. Let's see what's in here. Nope. It's just 3 chicken tenders. So you guys will be seeing that after, not probably after this video, but you guys will probably be seeing that in another video, because I don't think that I'm going to, I don't think I'm going to put them together, because I think they're going to have enough time standing alone. So I don't think that, I'm sorry guys, I don't think that I'll put them together because they have enough standing alone time, that they should be fine as 2 separate videos. But that was the Kentucky Fried Chicken Famous Bowl. I feel like I didn't have a lot to say in this video, but I'm still gonna post it. I'm still gonna put it up. I think it was okay. But that was me trying the Kentucky Fried Chicken Famous Bowl. If you liked it, please subscribe. And please like and put a comment down in the comments if you guys have tried the Famous Bowl or not. Thank you guys so much for watching.